Makoma Ribani, whose family is known as Karishma, is out of danger following a horrific car accident in the early hours of 31st October in Polokwane, Limpopo, which left her car wrecked. The young musician sustained severe injuries and was hospitalized. Now, although she was in a critical condition, her big brother Ntegi Morale told City Press that she was now stable. A family statement released after the accident revealed that the Limpopo musician was with her three friends, one of whom was reportedly her driver, who unfortunately lost his life, and another was also severely injured. Before this incident, the Chokeslam hitmaker had survived a head-on collision in August 2023 with her driver. Mogale said the first 5 days after the accident were all about his little sister fighting for her life as her condition was critical. However, the situation has now stabilized and she is recovering well in hospital. We have moved from fighting for life to recovery. That's all I can tell you, because you must understand doctor-patient confidentiality. She is also one person who prefers her personal life to be private, he said. Morales said the family would soon release a statement to update fans. However, they would not share the nature of the injuries the musician had sustained. He said they wanted people to stop panicking but would not provide more details to respect the musician's privacy. He said his sister is well known, so they understand they have to provide updates for her fans and supporters. People need to know that danger to life has been averted. It was a bad accident, but we managed to secure life and do what needed to be done, he said. He added, however, she will share the details when she is able to, and that's only if she wants to. Morales said the family had been receiving calls from people wanting to know about the musician's injuries. He said as much as the family understood the concerns and that Ribane is a public figure, the questions were frustrating because they came across as if his little sister's privacy was not being respected. Morales said that although Ribane's recovery was promising, he could not give a time frame as to when she would be back home. However, he added it would not be next month. He said it is definitely not in the festive season. I'm not sure about the new year because some physiotherapy will be needed. The brother said that the family was hit hard by the accident and Ribani's hospitalization, especially because she is the last born. He said the parents were fragile and older siblings were hurt. Mali added that no one expected this, but it was inevitable as Kia Tia Tia Hitmaker worked in the entertainment industry and traveled a lot, especially at night and in the early hours of the morning. He said he had had a safety conversation with her and asked her to take precautions. However, it was unfortunate that the accident happened. In the family, some people do not understand the nature of the work and they are hit hard. Anyways, nothing can compare to the pain of seeing your little sister being hurt like that, he said. The family has been seriously devastated. Seeing her recovering and fighting for her life has made us calm down. Seeing that fans like showing up for their favorites through donations in difficult times, Morales said they had not identified that need for the Limpopo artist yet. He said that medical costs were covered. Morales said that the hitmaker was good at managing her funds and had no debt. He added that she was well cared for by a surgeon. Well, there you have it, you guys. We are definitely wishing her a speedy recovery. Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comments section down below. Also like and of course do share this video. I will definitely and surely be seeing you in the next video. Bye.